Hello Dalton Nation, this is Alden, and Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine is highly effective at preventing hospitalizations and death according to doctors and experts. All three COVID-19 vaccines currently approved for emergency use by the FDA in the US greatly reduce the risk of getting COVID-19 and prevent hospitalizations and deaths due to the virus according to doctors. The three vaccines do have different efficacies. But the way the efficacy is measured during trials is not a precise prediction because trials only look at a limited number of people. Something I want to address today is the efficacies of these three vaccines. When scientists say that a vaccine has an efficacy of, say, 72%, that's what's known as a point estimate. It's not a precise prediction for the general public because these trials can only look at a limited number of people. And just to be clear, if you do get the vaccine, you can still get the virus. But the vaccine will prevent severe disease or death. What experts have seen with most of the current vaccines is less severe symptoms and almost no hospitalizations and deaths in vaccinated people who become infected. People also want to know if the vaccines protect against the new variants, including those first identified in the UK, South Africa, and Brazil. The data so far suggests that most of the vaccines do provide at least some protection against new variants. From some of the clinical trial data and antibody neutralization studies, vaccines designed against the original strains of the virus might not be quite as effective against certain new variants, particularly against mutations found in the B.1.351 variant that is now widespread in South Africa. Many of the new variants have changes in the spike protein, which the virus uses to infect cells. So it's a little bit different than what a vaccinated person's body has seen before in the vaccine. Still, overall, the vaccines authorized in the US are meeting efficacy targets and seem to give some protection against the new variants. The best way to prevent new variants from emerging is by getting lots of people vaccinated. Moderna is developing a booster shot to offer additional protection if needed, and Pfizer-BioNTech is exploring this possibility as well. So what do you think about the vaccines? And which one would you prefer to get?